Before we can use Sql Alchemy, we need to download it and install it. The best way to do this is with pip, which is Python's package manager. If you have Windows, pip should already be installed with Python, but if you're on another type of machine, you can install pip using the pip website. Another option for installing pip is to use Python in the command line. I'm going to use a command that works for Mac, but this may look different if you're on another machine. To install pip, I'm going to write python 3-m pip install --user --upgrade and then pip. This will install pip if I don't have it, as well as upgrade it if it's already on my machine. Now we're almost ready to install Sql Alchemy. Since Sql Alchemy is a specific package that we'll be working with for our application, it's recommended we create a virtual env or virtual environment first. Virtual env allows us to make isolated Python environments. If we have a virtual environment created and activated before installing Sql Alchemy, Sql Alchemy will live only in this environment. If you don't have virtual env installed, you can run a command similar to this. So I'm going to use Python to install virtual env. Python 3 pip install --user virtual env. In this case, I already have it. So let's clear this up and create our first virtual environment. There are a variety of ways you can do this, and this is just one. I'm going to create the virtual environment with Python 3-m venv, and then the name of the environment is going to be Sql Alchemy Workspace, and the environment's created. Creating this environment creates a new folder, and we can cd into it and see the contents. To activate this environment, we can write source bin/activate. Now we're in our virtual environment. Let's install Sql Alchemy. Depending on your pip configuration, this command may be a little different. You may use pip instead of pip3, but I'm going to use pip3 install Sql Alchemy. Great. Now we're ready to work with Sql Alchemy. If you ever want to leave this virtual environment, you can run deactivate, and now you've exited the virtual environment. To reactivate, you'll go source bin/activate, and you're back in.